We're going to create a beautiful minimalist stitching pattern on soft net fabric. For this project, I've chosen this lovely white soft net fabric and some matching white floss. This project is a wonderful way to add a touch of sophistication to any garment. And for my hoop, I'm using this plastic embroidery hoop with a quick release ring. It's so easy to use. It holds the delicate fabric firmly without damaging it, and it makes hooping a breeze. Now that our fabric is secured in the hoop, let's prepare our needle and thread. For this elegant and fine pattern, I'm using just a single strand of floss. Using just one strand helps the stitching look very delicate and refined, which is perfect for sheer fabrics like this net. One of the great things about working with net fabric is that the holes can be your guide. We don't need to draw any lines or marks. I'm going to follow the natural grid of the net to keep my stitches consistent. This ensures our lines are perfectly straight and evenly spaced. Let's begin our first line of stitching. I'm going to guide my needle through 3 holes for each stitch. See how I go down through the 3rd hole and then come back up 3 holes away to create the next stitch. This simple rhythm of going over 3 holes and back through the fabric creates a beautiful pattern of top and bottom stitches. A key tip when working with net or any fine fabric is to use gentle tension. Don't pull your thread too tightly, as this can cause the fabric to pucker. And just like that, my thread is short. No problem. I'll secure it on the back and then easily start with a new thread to keep my stitching going. Okay, my needle is threaded with a new one. Let's continue. This pattern is so versatile. You can apply this same idea to other fine fabrics like silk or even cotton. This kind of simple, elegant stitching is a wonderful way to embellish so many different items. Just let the thread lay smoothly on the surface. Once I've finished my first line of stitches, I simply secure the thread at the back and then start my next parallel line just a few holes away. If you're a beginner, a great idea is to practice this pattern on a cross-stitch fabric first, since it has a similar grid, and then move on to the net. I'm now completing my third line of this pattern, and as you can see, it looks simple, beautiful, and so elegant. Imagine this delicate pattern on the hem of a wedding dress, a lacy veil, or even a sheer blouse. You can use it to create unique lace inserts for blouses, tablecloths, or scarves. The possibilities are endless, and you can add a touch of handmade elegance to any of your projects with this easy technique. I hope this project inspires you to try stitching on different fabrics. It's a wonderful way to create something unique and beautiful. Happy stitching!